Hi, I'm Stephen Bailey. I'm the robot agent in the UK, and we have here the new robot DR401 916 IS. So, for those who cannot get Jet A1, this is the answer. It will run on unleaded fuel or on avgas. It has a peak power of 160 horsepower, a maximum continuous power of 137 horsepower, and a performance very similar to the 155 CDI, which is we have outside. The propeller is the same. It's a constant speed FADEC controlled propeller, single lever operation, of course, oil and water cooled, so very quiet. The construction of the aircraft is basically the same as all the 401s. For those who are not familiar with the wing, the new wing, which was introduced a few years ago, now has a solid upper surface. It's only a 0.6 millimeter laminar of wood, but it gives a better aerodynamic surface, and crucially, the paint will not crack. The older wing with fabric could flex, and over time that could be a problem. But this is very, very durable, completely waterproof, and of course it looks pretty. We can look inside. We have a new autopilot. Previously we were using the S-Tech 55X. That is now no longer available, so we're moving over to the Garmin GFC 500, which is a fully digital autopilot. It has safety features that are better. It's a little less expensive, and it integrates very well with the other Garmin Avionics. So you will see how smoothly the canopy now runs. It's now on bull races. Previously it was just on friction runners. So it is a very nice operation, very reliable. So inside, this has a full leather interior, very, very comfortable seats. It's a very quiet cabin. The wooden airframe, of course, helps that because it has excellent vibration absorption properties. The main avionics are the Garmin G500 TXI, and we have the new Garmin GFC 500 autopilot there. Single lever operation, electric flaps and electric trim, of course, as on the other models in the range. So this is a full four-seater aircraft. It will carry 4 adults, luggage, and maybe 4 hours of fuel very easily. The maximum takeoff weight is 1,100 kilos. The empty weight of this aircraft allows for maybe a 430 kilo useful load. And the fuel consumption is around 33 litres per hour at 75% power. That compares with maybe 24 litres an hour for the CD155 at a similar performance. This model has the Rotax 916 IS engine, turbo, fuel-injected, electronic ignition, FADEC controlled. It has an automatic variable speed propeller. The propeller, being 3-bladed, has quite short blades. This reduces the tip speed, so it enhances the general quietness of the aircraft, which is also water and oil cooled, so it's very, very quiet. The engine produces a peak power of 159 horsepower and a maximum continuous power of 137 horsepower. So it gives a performance that's very, very similar to the 155 CDI diesel. So the robot aircraft are produced by CEAPR, who have been based in Darrois, just outside Dijon in France, since 1957. And they are still there in the same factory, very similar buildings. The original half-barrel building for the wood shop is still there and still in use. It's a family-owned business. There are no outside investors. So it's very secure. The lead time on these aircraft is, we're quoting 1 year. It could be a little less, but we say 1 year. And a lot of that delay is just getting the engines and some other components of the avionics. The price starts at around about 340,000 euros ex tax. So a basic VFR day-night fit for this aircraft, all the 155 CDI, would be around about 370,000 euros. IFR maybe 328,000. If you wanted a fully equipped, full IFR with autopilot, with traffic system, everything, then you're looking probably at about 480,000 euros ex-tax.